This is Google Pixel 7a, and today I will show how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So firstly, you will need to download and install the free third-party app called Caffeine. So let me quickly do that. After this step is out of the way, you will need to launch the app itself. Then make sure that the timeout section was set to be at an infinite value. And as long as the Caffeine app will be active, or stays active in the background, your screen will not automatically go to sleep. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.